Let's make this flaky and delicious pulled beef puff patties with groceries from Uber Eats. And these are the items already in my pantry. In an oven-safe pot, add the beef steaks, season with salt, cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, and cayenne pepper. Rub it all over. Peel the cloves of garlic, remove the stems of the chilies, and roughly slice the onions. Add in. After, pour the water and take a few sprigs of fresh thyme. Cover and let it slow cook in an oven or a stove for a couple of hours until the meat is falling apart. Once cooked, remove the chilies and sprigs, shred with the help of fork, and add tomato puree. Simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes until all water dries up. Transfer to the bowl and let it cool completely. Take a puff pastry sheets and cut in squares. Take the one piece of sheet and add the prepared filling. For the egg wash, crack the eggs in a bowl and beat. Brush the sides, add the mozzarella cheese, place another square on top and seal the edges with fork. Cut slits on top, transfer to the lined baking sheet, brush with the egg wash, sprinkle some sesame seeds, bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for 30-35 minutes. And if you don't know, you can use the Uber Eats app to get delivered all the grocery essentials to your doorstep. Take out the patties from the oven and serve immediately. I hope you like this delicious treat for Ramadan.